Title of the first section today is Review, Write an Equation. In this section we'll review how to write an equation. The equation again, or formula for this chapter, y equals mx plus b. M again is the slope, and b is the y-intercept. First problem, m equals negative 1/5, and b equals 2. Writing the equation, y equals mx, we'll put a negative 1/5 in for x, and we'll plug a 2 in for b. So the equation will be y equals negative 1/5 x plus 2. Second problem, m equals 0.7 and b equals negative 0.5. Writing the equation y equals, plug a 0.7 in for m, we'll have 0.7x, and instead of plus b, if b is negative, we could have minus 0.5. So the equation is y equals 0.7x minus 0.5. And last problem for the section, m equals 0 and b equals negative 3. The equation y equals, plug a 0 for m, we'll have 0x, and b is a minus 3. So if y equals 0x minus 3. Simplifying, 0 times x would be 0, and minus 3 would just be minus 3. So the equation y equals negative 3. Title of the next section is Write an Equation from a Line. In this section we'll look at a graph of a line and we can find the equation from that line. First problem and first graph. We'll have one point at 0, negative 2, and we'll have another point at 2, 1. Using this graph we can find what m equals and b equals, and then we can write the equation from there. We can find m, and we can also find b. If you remember, m is the slope. When looking at a graph, you can find the slope by counting the rise over run. Starting at the left point, we'll go up 1, 2, 3 spots. So the rise would be 3, and the run will be 1, 2 spots to the right. So our slope, or m, equals 3 over 2. B, if you remember, is the y-intercept. The y-axis is the axis that goes up and down or vertical in the middle. The intercept is the point at which it crosses the y-axis. This point is at y equals negative 2, so the y-intercept would be negative 2. Once we have m equals and b equals, we can write the equation in y equals mx plus b form. M is 3 over 2 x, and instead of plus b, b is a minus 2, so we'll have minus 2. So the equation of this line is y equals 3 over 2x minus 2. Second question and last question for the section. Again, we'll have 2 points. The first point is at 0, 3. and the second point is at 2, -1. This line again, we can find what m equals and b equals, and then write the equation from there. M equals and b equals. M again is the slope. Start at the left-hand side of the graph. This time we'll count down and over, which will be a negative number. Counting the rise, or how many spots down, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 spots down, which will be a -4. And the run will be 1, 2 spots to the right, so we'll have -4 over 2, which if you divide that out would equal -2. So the slope, or m, is -2. B again, the y-intercept. Looking at the y-axis, the graph crosses at +3, so the b equals 3, or the y-intercept is 3. And for answer, we'll write an equation in y equals mx plus b form. M is -2, so I have -2x. B is a +3, so our final answer will have y equals -2x plus 3.